What's up, everybody? This is Khan.
And Nyla.
Today we are doing our own two white hoodies. Nyla's is like bright white.
Yes.
Mine is kind of like an off-white, not cream, but kind of like an off-white.
Faded.
And yeah, nothing is fun about a white hoodie. So
Yes.
we're gonna tie-dye them and have some fun with them. I think mine's gonna come out a lot better than Nyla's. And so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We've chosen our arsenal of colors. Nyla, are you ready?
Super.
Okay, let's go.
But wait. My colors are yellow, orange, and pink. Can you tell them your color?
I have like
Oh,
a funny looking blue.
baby blue.
Yeah, like a funny looking baby blue or orange and kind of like a
Lime.
Yeah, a lime green. So all right,
That's what it's called anyway.
I'm gonna use the paper. I'm gonna use a few of the paper clips and rubber bands. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alright. I don't have an idea what I'm gonna do.
You don't have an idea what you're gonna do?
No. I might consider not even using these.
You know what? I'm going gloveless. Go ahead.
I'm trying to figure out an idea what to do.
I hate these damn gloves. This is too hard.
Yeah.
It's too hard with the gloves on to actually do the rubber band
That's
thing.
better.
So
I don't like these.
you don't like what?
These thingies.
Why not?
I don't know. I'm just not a big fan. That makes me very frustrated. I want to have a different design this time.
You should have got the pen where you could have wrote your name and it wouldn't have,
Yeah, but
it
it
wouldn't
was
have
too
came up.
thin. I want it to be like big, you know? You know what I mean? These are too small to do anything.
Okay. We need more rubber bands?
Yeah. There's two more there's two more packets here. But I mean, next time, for the next ones. I'm gonna
So you need help with yours? Or no, you got it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Just to make them just. Yeah, yeah.
Well, let's do it like this.
I make them a little bigger than they should be.
Well, you can make them some big, some small.
I try to make them all a similar size, but doesn't work out.
The next one we got to do a different way. I think we've done both of them the same way, like this.
Yeah. Maybe we could do what I originally was gonna do.
What was that?
Like I knotted it, kinda.
Oh
You
yeah,
can still
yeah,
unknot
yeah.
it, but I like knotted it. So let's try that way next time.
Okay.
Because what I did is like I knotted it, you know? I'll take them all the meat. Why is it like?
I'm gonna add the clips on mine.
All right. You gotta add clips. I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it because it was too hard for me to work with.
That's fine. Nothing wrong with that.
Like I couldn't do it. It's too difficult. Mom got scared because I forgot to tell her that I was gonna be outside. Because I was in the bathroom. Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
So if you actually slip a button and they hear about all this, about how I was in the bathroom, it's your fault, okay?
And Mom didn't know you were outside?
Yeah. So she said, Nyla! I said, yes! And so she came up here for a little bit. Just a little bit because she still doesn't have any clothes on.
Oh, well, don't put that. Nyla,
Yeah.
okay.
It was originally bigger, but then you took all the
right.
stuff from it, so I couldn't. So it like didn't expand.
That's fine. I think we are ready to start adding colors.
Wait, let me just do a couple more though.
Okay.
What
I'll wait for you.
Say? What are we gonna say?
What? While we're adding colors?
No, like, cause they'll obviously know that we skipped a little bit.
Well, that's fine. For those that don't know.
We'll just tell them that we want to skip the boring part.
Well, no, we skipped ahead. We put a lot of rubber bands and clips on it. So this video just kind of skipped ahead a little bit. Bless you. Bless you. All right, are you ready?
Almost. Just make sure mine's good. One more. Where should it go? I'll put this one. I don't know.
Well, I'm waiting on you.
See, Dad, look.
I think I'm ready.
Not really, but I'm on this sleeve. I knotted it, and it looked nice like that.
Okay.
But then I put it. And then I took it out because I didn't know if you wanted to do it like that.
No, that's cool. No preference. You ready? All right. Let's knock it out.
Hey!
What?
Do we need gloves?
Yeah, you do. I do.
Can I have another one?
Here.
Thank you. Your fingers are turning blue.
My fingers. Oh, okay. Well, it is what it is.
Okay. But as you can see, guys, we skipped ahead a little.
Actually, I think I'm going to use gloves for this part.
Yes.
I'm going to have to touch it. Nyla, try to get all the dye on the actual hoodie and not on the cardboard.
What do you think I'm doing?
I know, I'm just saying, don't miss. I mean, don't miss. And watch out for your clothes.
My clothes can get ruined. These ones are ugly.
Okay, Nyla. Whatever you say.
Yes. Flip. I'm just starting with one color, doing a lot of it, and then using the next color.
I'm going to do my orange last because
Orange is the best color.
Well, the orange is the color I actually want the least amount of in there.
Because it doesn't look good.
No, I mean, I just want, because I have other orange things, so these are the colors that I want the most in there.
Yes. My colors are making orange because pink, apparently, pink and yellow make orange. That's what's happening over here. I want no white showing. But I also want it to look nice. Yes. I think there's actually going to be a lot of yellow in it. I don't know why. But it's just like yellow is just showing up the most. Yes, orange. If I just did...
I really like this green.
If I just did pink and yellow, that would have looked good by itself too.
Mm-hmm. All right, that's all the green. Let's hit them with the blue.
Oh, wow. Actually, I'm going to do what you're doing, a similar thing. I'm going to just do all the pink, and then I'm going to skip to the next one. As you can see, my area is a lot more cleaner.
You funny.
Yeah, I know. This is a competition. Leave it in the comments whoever you think looks the best.
Well,
will look best, or is the best. I don't know.
It's not a competition because I know mine is really going to look way better than yours.
We'll see.
That goes without question.
I bet there's a million questions.
I'll question mine will look better.
Mine already looks better. Ooh, look at this string. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Stir in the pot, stir in the pot, stir in the pot.
You're funny.
The pot that has winning in it. If you made soup, you know what I'm talking about.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Oh wow, that is extraordinary. I don't even know if that's a word. I just went with whatever came to my mind.
All right, Nyla.
That's original. There we go. Original is the word.
Original.
Yes.
I think you're trying to talk about me.
Maybe.
That's okay. I know mine looks the best.
You're right. Yes. We need more pink. Pink.
You gotta use what you got. I only had these three amount of colors.
Pink,
You only got
pink,
yours.
Pink.
So you gotta
As
use
soon
what
as
you
this
got.
is done, I'm gonna cuddle up in it.
All
Then,
right.
do that.
Okay, I'm done.
I'm not. You want to come over here and help?
Nope. I don't want nothing to do with that.
Well,
My masterpiece is
It's
ready to be
ugly.
bagged up and let it sit till tomorrow, where we'll wash them. Well, we'll wash them separately. So, okay.
Oh, we also put a few like clips in it.
Okay.
Mine.
All right. Nyla's
I
almost
want to
done.
make sure it goes all the way through.
That means we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow.
Wait. By tomorrow, mine's probably gonna look better. And yes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and it might look different because I'm not done yet. So. Yeah.
2, 3. Surprise! All right. So this is where we are. I mean, you can tell
Where
us
we
who
are?
did it. I'm sorry. Who did it best? I did it best because my green and kind of orangish red is better. Nyla is just okay, but my hoodie is better.
Yeah, okay, my butt.
Nyla, what do you
So,
think?
as you can see, yours looks like blood.
I look
And
great.
that looks like you rolled in the grass like that. And then you went up to the sky like Superman, and then you got some blue cloud on it.
I am very fashionable,
No, not really.
and I will be wearing this on my next photo shoot. I'm gonna take pictures, and everybody's gonna ask me, "Where'd you get that hoodie from?"
No, they're not.
Yes, they will.
Okay.
Okay, so
So tell me what's your theme. What's your theme?
I don't have a theme, but you all can tell us. You can respond in the comments to who did it best, me or
As you
Nyla.
can see, there's like 2 designs. I just noticed that. Like it's like a circle right here. There's like a circle. Look, it's a circle and a circle. And a circle. Circles. You like circles.
Well, you look like tomatoes and corn.
I look like a beautiful sunset rising from the moon.
All right, bye.
Wait!
I'm hot. Bye.
I look better than him.